Hi, today we're going to talk about how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's see how it's all going to be set up. First of all, a reminder, these two vertical bars tell you that you are trying to figure out the determinant. So we're going to go this way, multiply those three numbers, multiply these three numbers, and also multiply these three numbers. This is what we call the main diagonal. And these things kind of run parallel to that. Those are going to be taken with positive signs. So we're going to multiply 3 times negative 2 times 1 plus 2 times 7 times 5 plus 4 times 1 times negative 1. And then you're going to do minus. For subtraction, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Can't say the opposite direction. We're going to go this way. We're going to go these two numbers along with that number, and we're going to go with these numbers here along with that. You always multiply three numbers, you are going to end up with a total of 6 products of 3 numbers. So it's going to be 1 times negative 2 times 5 times negative 2 times negative 1 minus 4 times 2 times 1 minus 3 times 7 times 1. Okay, so if you do all this, you're getting negative 6 for the first product. Then this is going to give you plus 70. That's going to give you minus 4. That's going to give you minus 10. That's going to give you minus 8. And that's going to give you minus 21. And once you do all these math, your determinant will be 21. Okay, so now the question is, how do you do this on the calculator? Let me show you how to do that. I already have this matrix stored, so I'm going to go here to matrix, just to show you. There's my matrix here that I entered. So to find the determinant, it's actually very easy on the calculator. You're going to exit this, you're going to go back to the matrix menu, you're going to go under math, and the very first option is the determinant. So you're going to select that, and then you're going to go back to the matrix menu, select your matrix, and 21 is what you're getting. So then the question is, why do I need to know how to do this by hand if I can do this with the calculator? I agree with that, but you have sometimes questions that are going to be like this. So here what we have is we have an expression for the determinant, but you probably notice there is x here. And we know what the determinant is. So the only way you can solve this and find what x is if you set these up and actually go from there. So we're going to do it the same way. These three numbers, these three things, and then these three things. Those are going to be positive. So we're going to have negative 1 times 2 plus 6 times 3 times negative 3 plus x times negative 2 times 4. And then we're going to do minus, and we're going to do our other three products. So we're going to go that way, and that way, and that way. So it's going to be 4 times 1 times negative 3 plus, minus, x times 6 times 2, and then minus 3 times negative 2 times negative 1. But this time we know that the determinant is negative 90, and we just need to figure out the value of x. So let's go ahead and do that. That's going to give us negative 2. That's going to give us minus 54. That's going to give us minus 8x. That's going to give us plus 12. Minus 12x minus 6 equals negative 90. Going to combine our like terms. Let's see, negative 2 minus 54 is negative 56. Minus 8x minus 12x is minus 20x. 12 minus 6 is plus 6 equals negative 90. Negative 56 minus 6 is going to give us negative 50. So negative 20x minus 50 equals negative 90. Negative 20x equals negative 40. And x equals 2. And this is the answer to this problem. If you have any questions, put them in comments. I hope this helps.